In the heaven of desire realm, even celestial beings born in the highest heavenly realms cannot escape the suffering of death. When a heavenly being is about to die, 5 signs of death will appear. First, the radiant glow of his body, which once shone visibly from a great distance, begins to fade. Second, the throne that once brought him endless comfort now fails to satisfy him. He feels restless and uneasy sitting upon it. Third, the flower garlands that once remained fresh and vibrant, no matter how much time passed, now wither. Fourth, the garments that always stayed clean and fresh, no matter how long he wore them, become worn out, dirty, and begin to emit an odor. Finally, his body, which had never perspired before, starts to sweat. When these 5 signs of impending death manifest, the god is tormented by the painful realization that his life is nearing its end. Moreover, when most heavenly beings are dying, wrong views may arise in their minds. Because they spent their lives indulging in distraction and heedlessness, they may fall into the 3 lower realms in their next rebirth. At that time, through their divine vision, the heavenly beings can see where they will be reborn. When they behold the suffering awaiting them in their next life, the pain of death which has not yet subsided is compounded by the anguish of impending downfall. It is truly like adding frost upon snow. Their suffering increases 2 or 3-fold. Unable to bear it, they burst into loud cries of despair.